Hi, so silver update again. So we are having some sellers appearing over there on silver from that top. Okay, so let's go to this idea first. And this is what we were expecting in the previous update. We were expecting pullback. We are having pullback price reversed from that 91 to 86, all right? And still still in a correction, we can say that, but not that deeper correction in the form of like flag or ABC as shown on that chart. So we are in a correction. So there we can see that in the previous update we have spoken about the margin hike from CME, all right, and on 13, I think on 13 or 14, I'm not sure about the date. Okay, but we saw that price has fallen after that, margin hike, when margin hike taken effect. So we saw almost, if I'm gonna pull out the range, we saw almost 7% drop and then quick recovery over there. Okay, so now this is telling us that the run which we are having on the silver, the aggressive bullish run, is just simply slowing down. Okay, let's look at this couple of news. So we can see there, all right, so we can see there that on 24th of December, Shanghai futures exchange, they set the limit. Okay, it's a 10,000 lots position per account. All right, and then they recently changed as well. So they changed on 9th of January to 7,000. All right, from 10,000 to 7,000. So uh, this is just simply reflecting on the chart. All right, so we can see there that this is reflecting on the chart. All right, so CME raised the margin high, we saw a pullback. So the rally is slowing down. Okay, the bullish rally which we were having over there in silver is simply slowing down. Okay, we can see there that it was slowing down here as well within that ascending channel. Okay, correction, 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 and finally we saw the dump. This doesn't mean that the physical restraint which we are having over there on silver is ending, all right, but these precautions which are being taken by the exchanges, are reflecting on your chart, reflecting on the price, all right. So which means that the run which we are having on silver from this area, all right. So if you remember my previous video analysis on the in the video analysis which we have here at this area, so you're not going to see something like that kind of run. Okay, within this area we were expecting silver to break out and go towards that all-time high, all right. And since then price is just running from 46 to 91, 92 area, all right, and we are still expecting it to continue to hit the $100 mark. Okay, so yeah, now let's look at the current update. Okay, that's the bigger picture. So we are within this sideways market. Okay, we are still expecting price to you know to continue to keep rising towards 100. All right, so the 100 is the target. So at current chart, or as a current price, you are watching this floor carefully, all right, and price to hold and break through and this move. Okay, and continue to keep rising higher all the way to the top. So short term buy opportunity here, and target going to be that, all right. And if we don't see this move, okay, and the price is going to break through this floor, okay, tag this low or slightly go lower than that. Okay, I'm gonna show you the example like what. Okay, so we are having copper. All right, so copper did not recover like silver recovered. Okay, so copper did not recover. So if we don't hold this area, this place which I'm talking over there right now, okay, then break down and tag that or slightly go lower than this 84 area, all right, 84 or 82 areas, and then again give us a buy opportunity over there. All right, then give us, I will look at the moving averages as well. So like this, like you can see there that the silver and the copper broken did not recover, all right, and broken down and then trying to recover. Okay, so similar, still gonna be a buy opportunity after testing this low or new low. All right, so if I'm gonna pull out the moving averages, okay, so far you are expecting these for longer term. All right, for longer term means that for price to hit that $100 mark. So far you're expecting price to hold these moving averages, all right, these moving averages, and price to continue to keep heading towards that $100 mark. All right, so we can see there that the trend is losing the momentum, right? The MACD is telling us that the strong trend which we are having over there is losing the momentum. All right, and we may stay into that correction for a while before we're gonna see that $100 target. Okay, so as we can see that the exchanges are building the pressure on the trader to lower their risk, all right, and hiking margins means that they are trying to control that rise. Okay, and that's what we see, that's reflecting on your chart, slowing down, the rally is slowing down. So you shouldn't be a buyer over there on these tops and looking for this to pull back. You're supposed to wait for a decent pullback, all right, decent pullback like this, or another leg lower, and then you start looking for this to go back up or upside, okay, like this, or at least price to come at 86 areas again, and then you are looking for this to continue to keep pushing more higher. Okay, so if I'm gonna pull out some risk reward ratio to let you know that what kind of trade you are looking. Okay, so right now you are expecting price to hold that, all right, hold that floor, this previous low. Okay, and looking for these short-term trades. Okay, looking for that short-term trade. And in case if we get a good move, all right, if we get a good move, break up to the top, all right, then go and hit that $100 mark. All right, otherwise price to come down, hold this floor. Okay, and continue to keep heading towards that $100 mark. All right, so we are still bullish, okay, but the point here is that the exchanges are hiking the margin. They're trying to slow down the rally, and we clearly can see there that the bullish run is slowing down. Okay, but that doesn't mean that they are hiking the margin, and we're going to see the reversal of the trend. Okay, we still can continue to keep rising. Okay, but yes, you have to be careful, and your risk should be according to that. All right, so good old days is not there at the moment. Okay, so thank you